How to log in and sign in to your Upwork account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of Upwork application. And as you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Upwork application. So simply tap on open. That will take us to the Upwork application's official page. Here, you get the option of login or sign up account. Now, since we already have an account, we have created an account and we would want to log in, we're going to tap on login option. As we tap on login, what you can see is you get to see the options to log in with either your username or email, or either you can continue with Google or with Apple ID. So I'm going to select on the continue with Google option, and as I tap on it, you'll be able to see the different accounts that you have associated. So select on the correct account over here. And as you do that, you'll be able to log in and sign into your Upwork account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.